Hey there, business owners and entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential tips to keep your business thriving in 2025. Today's video is all about how to update your Experian business information. If you're running a company, you know how vital accurate credit information is for loans, partnerships, and growth. With Experian's updates for 2025, it's easier than ever to stay on top of your business profile. Let's dive right in. First things first. Why bother updating? In 2025, Experian has streamlined their system to reflect new regulations, making it crucial for better credit scores and avoiding penalties. Start by logging into your Experian account. If you don't have one, head to the Experian website and create a business profile. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Business Profile section. Here, you'll see all your current information like your business address, contact details, and ownership structure. Look for the Edit button. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Now, double-check everything. Is your address up to date? Have there been changes in your business name or key personnel? Make sure to input the latest details accurately. Next, if you're updating financial info, like annual revenue or outstanding debts, use the dedicated forms provided. Experian might ask for supporting documents, so have things like tax returns or bank statements ready. After entering your changes, hit Submit and wait for verification, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days in 2025 due to their enhanced AI review process. Don't forget to review any alerts or notifications Experian sends you afterward. This ensures your updates are processed correctly. And hey, if you run into any issues, their customer support is top-notch. Just check the help section for quick fixes. By keeping your Experian info current, you're setting your business up for success. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.